Are you ready for an episode of Smart Wheel City? This one is called The Farm Fizzle. We've got a very special train and a whole lot of barnyard animals. So get ready! Because here we go!
A train drives overhead. Meanwhile, there are some animals in a truck. They are farm animals. Uh-oh, what's this? The farmer isn't watching where he's going. Oh no! The truck door is open! The animals have fallen out! And now the animals are loose, on the grass, and the road. Wait! Where is that truck going? The driver doesn't know that the animals have fallen out. Somebody better tell the animal truck driver that he's leaving all the animals behind. See? Over there are all the animals that have been left behind. And over there is the part of the broken bridge. And, wait, where did all the animals go? They're gone! Wait, I think I hear something. There, up by the train station, the chicken has escaped to the road.
There's a chicken on the road. There's a chicken on the road. I don't know what you've been told. There's a chicken on the road.
I see him. The chicken is hiding in the train station.
There's a chicken in the station. There's a chicken in the station. I think I need a long vacation. There's a chicken in the station.
What are we going to do about these lost farm animals? Wait, wasn't there a friendly train who helped rescue lost animals before?
Here I am. Hi there, chicken. Would you like help getting home? I can take you for a ride in my flat car. All right, climb on board then. Get comfortable, chicken, because this train ride's about to start. Get ready to hold on. This part's bumpy. Around and around we go. Okay, chicken. You stay in this zoo pen while I go get the other animals, okay? Bye, chicken. I wonder which animal will be next.
There's a cow on a crane. There's a cow on a crane. I think I might be going insane. There's a cow on a crane. There's a cow on a crane. There's a cow on a crane. I think I might be going insane. There's a cow on a crane.
A cow on a crane? Oh boy, we better get that friendly train over here real quick. I think that cow is going to need some help.
I'm coming! I'm coming! Hold your horses! Hold your cows! Hi there, cow! How about you come off that crane and onto my flat car? I can help take you home again. Come on, don't be afraid, cow. It'll be a safe ride. At least a lot safer than that crane. There you go. Good boy. I guess this is your first train ride then. All you have to do is hold on. I'll do the rest. Oh, listen! I think the cow's fallen asleep. Wakey, wakey, Mr. Cow. We're here now. There you go.
Wait, what's that sound coming from down there? Hey, do you see that? I saw an ear. It's a pig!
There's a pig under the door. There's a pig under the door. I don't want to see anymore. There's a pig under the door.
Oh no! What's that pig doing on the fire lift? Oh, you better be careful, pig. There's a slide. That sure was a nice landing. But we better get that friendly train in here before you get into any more trouble. Where is that train?
I'm almost there. I'm coming down the hill now. Hello there, pig. I'm the Smart Wheels City train. Won't you ride in my flat car so I can get you home? Great! All aboard then! Hey, are you stopping for a snack? Okay. Make it quick though. We gotta go. Steady as she goes. We're almost there. Bye, Pig. I'll be back with more of your friends real soon. Just 2 more animals to deliver.
There's a sheep on the girder. There's a sheep on the girder. I could really use a herder. There's a sheep on the girder. There's a sheep on the girder. There's a sheep on the girder. I could really use a herder. There's a sheep on the girder.
How did that sheep get all the way up there? Oh, where is that train?
I'm right here. Okay, Mr. Sheep. You need to come down from there nice and easy. Why don't you jump right down into my flat car? I know it's scary, but you can do it. Come on, sheep. I'm ready. You did it. Now let's go join your friends. We're here. Bye, sheep. Bye.
The last animal is the horse. But where is... Oh, no!
There's a horse in the lift. There's a horse in the lift. This is a complete seismic shift. There's a horse in the lift. There's a horse going up. There's a horse going up. I don't mean to huff and puff, but there's a horse going up. Now there's a horse going down. Now there's a horse going down. I don't mean to frown and frown, but there's a horse going down.
Hi there, horse. It's me, the Smart Wheel City Train.
I've come to help deliver you home.
That's right. All your farm friends are already waiting for you. Let's go and join them. All you need to do is ride in my flat car. Hang on, because we're going up, 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 up. And lastly, we're going down, down, down. And we're here. Bye, animals. Bye. Oh, that's right. There's just a few more friends to find. There. Now that's everybody, right?
You did it, train! You've got all the animals!
Right. And now I'm off to find the farm truck so they can all get a ride back to their farm.
And here comes that farm truck now! Everybody hop inside! There! It looks like everybody's nice and tucked aboard. Time for you to all head back to the farm. And so now it's time for the Smart Wheel City train to head back to the docking station after a job well done. Thanks to you, train, the animals all made it home to the farm. So head inside
Bye!
and let me detach your flat car. And then I'll close the door and say good night.
Good night, everyone!
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to try another video, just click the box and check it out. And if you'd like to join us on our next adventure, click the circle to subscribe.
Bye, everybody. Keep imagining.